We all want to live long, healthy lives. We want to feel good and have the energy to do the things we love for as long as possible. Aging is a natural part of life, but what if we could age better? What if we could stay healthier and more vibrant for longer? Many scientists and researchers are exploring ways to extend our lifespan and health span. They study things like genetics, diet and lifestyle to understand what makes us age and how we can slow down the process. One exciting area of research focuses on a natural process in our bodies called autophagy. Think about what happens when your house gets messy. You clean it up, you throw away trash, recycle old items, and organize everything to make it clean and functional again. Our bodies are similar. Autophagy is like our body's very own cleaning and recycling system. The word autophagy comes from Greek words meaning self-eating. It might sound scary, but it's actually a very beneficial process. Autophagy helps our cells get rid of damaged parts, toxins, and other unwanted materials that can build up over time. Imagine tiny garbage trucks inside your cells. These trucks are called autophagosomes, and they travel around collecting cellular waste and transporting it to recycling centers within the cell called lysosomes. The lysosomes then break down the waste like a powerful blender into reusable building blocks. This process of cleaning and recycling helps our cells stay healthy and function properly. It's like giving our cells a fresh start, allowing them to work more efficiently. When autophagy works well, our bodies are better equipped to fight off aging and disease. Section 4. The amazing benefits of autophagy, from anti-aging to disease prevention. Autophagy offers a wide range of incredible health benefits. It's like a fountain of youth for our cells. Here are just a few ways autophagy contributes to a longer, healthier life. By removing damaged cell parts, autophagy helps slow down the aging process, keeping our cells young and healthy for longer. Autophagy helps protect our brains from neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by clearing out toxic proteins. A healthy autophagy process means a stronger immune system, better equipped to fight off infections and diseases. These are just a few of the many benefits of autophagy. Research continues to uncover even more ways this essential process contributes to our overall health and longevity. Section 5. Activating autophagy, simple lifestyle changes for a longer life. The good news is that we can naturally boost autophagy through healthy habits. It's like giving our body's recycling system a helping hand. Here are some simple ways to activate autophagy. Taking breaks from eating, even for short periods, can stimulate autophagy. Physical activity, especially high-intensity workouts, can turn on autophagy. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean protein to support autophagy. By incorporating these lifestyle changes, we can help optimize autophagy and reap its incredible health and longevity benefits. It's never too late to start making choices that support our body's natural ability to heal and regenerate.